Hello and welcome to Personadeck's official channel. Today, we're going to walk through our latest image management features that are set to revolutionize persona creation. Let's dive in. First, let's explore how you can generate new images by editing prompts. This is a great way to update your persona's appearance. Start by clicking on the persona you wish to edit. Head over to Manage Images on your dashboard to begin. Click on Generate to bring up a pop-up window. Here you'll find the prompt for your original persona's image. For instance, if you want to add glasses to your persona, simply edit the prompt to include this detail. Let's say, add glasses to the existing persona. It's all about those small but significant tweaks. After editing, hit Generate again. Our AI will then create a new image incorporating your changes, like adding glasses to your persona. Now, let's cover uploading your own images for a unique touch. Select Upload Image, choose your file, and integrate your personal artwork into your persona's design. Maintaining a curated gallery is essential. Let's delete images that no longer serve your vision. Simply select the unwanted image, click Delete, and keep your gallery focused. Up to 4 images per persona can be stored. That concludes our guide on the latest image management features at Personadeck. We're excited to see the dynamic personas you'll create with these new tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Happy creating!